In June 2023, BMW issued a patent application regarding the luminous elements in the fairing, especially on the winglet, which is the modern front spoiler. BMW has registered this development with the German Patent and Trademark Office in December 2021 and published in June 2023. Under the cryptic term motorcycle, details of future fairings for BMW motorcycles are explained. It's all about the winglets, which are modern front spoilers to optimize aerodynamics and stabilize downforce or contact pressure at high speeds. In the patent application, the winglet is called a flow guide element in German. After all, they are not new, but are now widespread in various brands, especially with motorbikes that are sporty, powerful, and fast. However, luminous winglets with integrated LED components will be new. The most obvious use for the lights on the wings is as indicators, as described in the patent application. That is, the indicators that are installed on both sides of the front fairing can be removed, or indicators that are integrated in the mirror housing, as is currently the case with the BMW S1000Xr and M1000Xr. With its open position, the winglet would at least act as a turn signal carrier like a rearview mirror, and also a better center of gravity as it is further down. The use of winglets for daytime running lights is equally clear and is also listed in the patent application. Thanks to the latest LED technology, the small added weight in this area is negligible. Moreover, daytime running lights no longer have to be accommodated in the main headlights. In addition, a motorcycle with a daytime running light winglet will be more visible at the front view, especially in difficult light conditions or in the dark, and will certainly be a plus point for passive safety. Less obvious, but clearly stated and in fact an important part of the patent application, is the use of winglets for lateral ground lighting. Whereas floor lighting was and has been on BMW motorcycles in the main stand area, now is an optional addition for the K16O model. So far, the main focus has been on parking the machine in the dark to get a better view and judge of the ground, and thereby avoiding embarrassing, painful, and costly falls. With ground lights attached to the underside of the winglets, further possibilities will be added. For example, as shown in the patent drawings, a light strip on the side of a motorcycle, even while riding, both for longer illumination and environmental detection and for better motorcycle visibility in the dark, that is, for active and passive safety. An optical lens is provided for the most precise alignment and regulation of the light beam with variable contours.